The surgery here at Sky Lakes was a big change in my life because I am able to walk again in a normal situation. Far more normal than I have probably been able to walk in 30 years. Came in for surgery. They replaced the knee completely, but he did reroute the tendons and stuff. I was there overnight and out the door I went, and I did the therapy. I really thought the young man that helped me with therapy did a beautiful job. I can now easily go up and down the stairs without hanging onto the rail. I just feel a little bit more confident, a little more easier to get around and walk around. I'm not fighting the pain all the time. It's just a life-changing experience for me. Everything we've had done here at Sky Lakes has worked very well for us.